Hello, brothers and sisters. How are you? Just wanted to go over some things for this coming up week. It'll be a little bit different than last week because this is the final week of class. Can you believe that you made it? And that's awesome. It'll be a nice break. Hopefully, you have a good Christmas break and get back into the swing of things if you're doing that. And if not, that you enjoy the time that you've had here at BYU, Idaho, and learned a lot. So first of all, I want to go through the final exam, a course reflection. You'll get some information here, and then as you'll notice, these things are a little bit different time-wise. The personal revelation is due on Wednesday, and you'll just watch this quick video on Revelation, and then pick one of these talks to study, and then you're going to answer these questions here. So for instance, if we go into here, it's going to ask you just about a paragraph worth of questions about, first of all, your personal revelation for this semester, how it did that, and how has your testimony been strengthened. There's no right or wrong answers, so you don't need to worry about being graded as right or wrong, but just that it's been done. Okay. And we're going to put done here so I can get out of here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go final course reflection. And in the kind of final course reflection, as you see here, you can go to the learning reports that you did before, and you can copy and paste some of your items that are in there. Okay, and so if you've done, for instance, lesson 1 and what you've learned, then you're just going to put that in here as well. So if you look at, for instance, lesson 1, what is the most important thing you want to remember, and why is this the most important thing? It's just a paragraph for both of these, not a paragraph for each. Okay, so you just need to do a paragraph for this one, and then lesson 2 all the way down. So just again use those two questions and a paragraph for each of those. Okay, I'm sorry, not a paragraph for each, but a paragraph for both. Okay, so you don't have to worry about doing it for each. And then it's going to ask you some other quick questions, making some connections, and you'll just have to go through those and write about a paragraph or so of those as well. How is your service to your family changed, and those types of things. And then how are you going to apply that? What's the knowledge that you've had that you're going to be able to apply? Okay, and then we're going to go back to that again. After you come to this point, you're going to do a final course reflection. And in this, you're going to look at something that's been very important to you, something that you've maybe take away, something that you've learned that has benefited you or will benefit you that you think it might help in this. And you're just going to start here and answer those questions. I'm sorry, I went to that one again. I apologize. So I clicked on the wrong one. Sorry. That's why it looked familiar. So right here, you're going to take, if it's up to you, it's up to you if you want to, you can take a final exam practice. Okay, and that's due by Wednesday. And if you want, you can take all 102 questions. This is a test bank that will be used for your final exam. So once you answer these questions, the final exam should look a little familiar because there are about, I think, 35-ish questions for the final exam. And you can take all these and see how well you did. This is a practice, 102 questions. Okay. Okay, now once you've done that, then there is the final exam that you will take. And you'll just go right here. One thing you need to know, you can take this final exam and you can use your notes only, no other help of anything else. But again, remember this is due on Thursday, so Thursday local time. So just make sure that you do that. After you do that, there's a post-course survey. There's no right or wrong answers. You will get points for completing this. We just want to know some questions about the course, what you liked, what you didn't, and it shouldn't take you that long to answer these questions. It should be pretty easy. And again, there's no right or wrong answers on that. You get points for just taking it. Some of you will be moving on as well and be taking English 106 next semester. If you do, you will have an opportunity to do something with a speaking partner. That's part of the class. But if you're not doing that as well, then I would highly suggest that you take the opportunity to have a speaking partner. And to do that, it's a great opportunity for many people to get to know others and be able to help their other people in their education. Okay. Again, you'll be able to do your gathering, your assignments there, be able to finish up and do the last gathering activity there, and that will be due on Thursday as well. There's a little thank you for taking this course and doing the things that you have done. And then finally, if you are interested, you can go to lds.org and learn about personal revelation as well. So there's not a whole lot that you have to do, but and you don't have to do it till Saturday because everything should be done by Thursday. I will have grades in a few days after Thursday, hopefully by the weekend. I have until the 23rd to get them done, so I will do my very best to get everything done. I don't see a problem with them getting done earlier than that. But I want you to know that I have truly enjoyed this opportunity to teach you and to learn much about you and what you're going through and the different struggles that you have, but what your testimony, how your testimony has grown as well. I can see that in many of you, and I just wish you all the best. I hope that you realize that if you need anything or need my help or whatever it might be, that you'd be willing to send me an email or give me a call, and I can do what I can do to be of service to you. So I wish you the very best in this last week of school, and again, let me know if there's anything I can do for you.